Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CODX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, yet another crazy day, although I will say that this is a very tricky chart to now talk about from the presentation standpoint because there's a lot of perspective that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you were some sort of day trader or scalper or flipper and you bought there or you bought there and your plan was to buy and sell within 25 minutes, well, then from that point of view, the chart looks really bad right now. However, if you care about the big picture of things, then sure, that was a large pullback today. But from the grand scheme of things, the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed over, extended periods of time. Just higher lows being put into play over longer periods of time, and that's going to be the viewpoint that I talk about things from. So if I sound crazy calling something bullish, my guess would be you probably had more of a day trader type mentality going into it. And I'm not saying this will occur, but just for example's sake, let's say that the price once again comes down here to right around the $11 mark. So price comes down here to $11, behaves like that, and then it begins to work its way back upwards. Now, emphasis here on big picture. From the big picture perspective, what would that be giving you? Well, that would be giving you a set of lows right here. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows right there. You'd have lows there, and you'd have even lows than that. It's hard to see because how big this thing has moved. But point being, envision each of these as stair-steps. What do you have from the big picture? Well, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. So use that right around $11 mark as that progress point. Again, I'm well aware if you're a day trader and you bought there, then yes, you don't care about these stair steps, but that's why to offer up a warning that I would be talking about things from the bigger picture point of view. So sure, today the price pulled back, but stop and think about that word, today. As in one day, looking at multiple days as we're doing here, you can see the price does still have the opportunity to chip away and build a higher base. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.